Hello everyone, in this video we will be showing you how to wind a bobbin for the Moxie Longarm and how to put the bobbin in the case correctly. First, let's wind a bobbin. Put your Omni thread cone onto the spool pin. Then get your thread through the hook on the top from back to front. Moving closer to the tension disc here, we need to get the thread through this tiny hole from back to front. The thread then needs to get in between the tension discs to give our bobbin good tension. If you feel a little resistance when pulling the thread, you're in correctly. From here, we will take our empty bobbin and thread it from the inside to outside. Put the bobbin in the bobbin winder. Make sure it clicks in nice and tight. Hold your thread tail up and hit the blue button on the left to start. Hit the red button on the right to stop whenever you feel like enough thread has been wound, or the machine will automatically cut off when it's at its maximum. Lastly, you can pick up your full bobbin and cut the thread. To double check if your bobbin was wound correctly, you can use something pointy like a seam ripper and slightly poke at the wound thread. It should be tight so that you will not be able to stab through it easily. With our bobbin ready to use, let's learn how to put it in the bobbin case correctly. With the inside of the case facing towards you with the open gap on the wall at 12 o'clock, have the bobbin thread going clockwise like a number 9 and put it in the case. Find the angled opening on the wall of the case, slide the thread through, then pull it under the tensioning bar all the way to the hole at the end. A correctly tensioned bobbin case will stand up in the palm of your hand while you pull the thread up. If it's raised out of your hand, it's too tight. If it does not raise at all, it's too loose. Putting the bobbin case into the long arm is similar to a regular sewing machine. Have the large open gap of the bobbin case pointing to 12 o'clock, then slide the case into the housing. Push it until you hear a little click. That's when you've got it in right.